Today I'm going to show you how to use the Nuten app. This is the app icon. It basically uses like these keys to make latex. And so latex is like this. When you look at this, you can't just type this with your keyboard. You need like a latex interpreter. And honestly, I haven't found a very good one. That's as easy to use as Nuten. And so these are like challenging. They're technically challenging on latex, but on Nuten they're extremely easy. So I'll just show you how to do some really easy ones. And then I'll move on to the harder ones. So we're gonna do E equals MC. And then here is the C, and then here is going to be the 2. So we click here, and then a 2. E equals MC squared. So when you click up here, there's like lines, and you click this back button, and if I click this, that will add it to the lines. So this is just some math I was doing earlier. And then once you're done, you can click delete, and it'll remain on the lines. So how about we do that one velocity. So we're going to do this one, and then so we're going to do velocity equals fraction ds, and then in the denominator we're going to put dt. And we'll add that and then delete it, and it'll be in our thing. The one thing that is a problem is if you click AVERAGE in here, I just don't like to do it because it's a phone app and it takes up a lot of space. So we did that. And we'll do t equals 1/2 over mv squared because that's common. T equals 1, and then to get to the bottom you click this one, m v, and then up here is the squared, and then to get back down you click this button, and then if you want to go around and make changes you can click these. So this explains that the energy of an object is dependent on a square exponential as from the velocity and a linear 1/2 from the mass. So a bowling ball going a bowling ball that weighs 8 pounds going 10 miles an hour is more powerful than a bowling ball that weighs 16 pounds and going 1/2 of 10. So we're going to add that and delete it, and you see here all our stuff is stored. And next we're going to do the most complex one that I can think of to type in. So we'll do this one. So you can see the sigma sign is right here, and there's also Greek sigma that you can use, but that's distinctly different from the mathematical character sigma, so it doesn't fit. The only difference is the size, really. So, and then this is going to be a D, and then a P, then other word is going to be, I don't know what that says. What does that say? DP underscore, is that an I? I don't know what that says there. MB over dt. Yeah, let's just make it an I. I think it is an I, but you can fact check this. This doesn't matter because we're only learning how to input things into this. I and then t, and then go up, and then we're going to go equals on top d mv end parenthesis over dt. Yeah, so the change of force is equal to the derivative of the momentum over, the change of momentum over change in time. So we're going to add that. Oops. Click this one to add that. This is your collections. So you can make a new folder and then save this sheet to your collections. But we're not going to worry about that right now. And then this last one we'll do variance because that looks hard. So I'll show you how easy it is. You just literally copy it down. So yeah, see, look, we have the subscript doing an equals. We can't have that. So we go down, equals. I just want to check if I'm still recording because I am. Equals 1 over capital N. So 1 over, this is the capital N, and then we're going up, and then it looks like we have the capital N with a subscript of the letter theta. Oh, sorry, theta, sigma. And you can see their interpreter kind of sucks because they really couldn't fit in. Oh, it's not the character theta, it's actually the thing here. Oh, word, okay, I get this. We're doing it wrong. So it goes like this. Put a little guy, this one here, and then on the bottom it goes I equals 1, and on the top there should be a place on the top for me to write. Okay. Oh, there it was. Shit. I equals 1. There you go. And then up here goes a negative n, positive, uppercase N. So that's what they failed to do. And the difference between the character sigma and the function sigma is the size. So they did it wrong and we're doing it right. See how bad theirs looks and confusing? So now we're down here, and then we do a parentheses x subscript I up minus with the x bar. So look, here's the bar symbol, and then we end this parentheses with a 2. So we're just going to double check it. S squared equals 1 over n multiplied with the summation of index 1 to the n, x subscript I minus x bar squared. So that's a variance. So now we're going to import it, clear it, view it, edit, delete this, and now we're left with our physical equations. Click done, and then we're going to export it let's see, we could export it as a save it in the folder physics, and then click done and save it as equations. Click done and then click continue, and then go to physics, equations, and now let's check our alignments. It looks best when it's aligned centrally, I feel. And now we can pretty sure you can do it from with a PDF. Oh, add it to your photos. So that's what you can do. Add it to your photos. Now you go to your photos. Yeah, see, I have a messed up photos. I think I deleted my photos. Well, you should be able to, you could just copy it. And then, let's see, what's it paste to? Yeah, so you just save it into your photos, and that's a file. So if you need this for homework on your computer, save it to your files, and photos, and then you could add it as a attachment on an email or a text. And then if it's added as attachment on your email or your photos, you can just drag it or simply upload it from your photos to a document for your project. But so now you've learned a super duper easy way to go from complex crap like this to really simple, easy way to do it in Nuten. And I love this guy who made this, and I think it's really awesome. So I hope you use it and hope you learn something. And don't forget to sub.